Hi everybody, it's Rachel from Dodge City High School again. This time I'm going to be talking about a website called Storyboard. That's right here. This is just a website. It is not an app. It works really, really well on iPads. It works on computers. I haven't used it on a phone, but I wouldn't recommend doing it on a phone anyway. So this particular resource is super content specific for me. I'm an ELA teacher, so I think it's an awesome tool for analyzing stories, analyzing themes, symbols, character maps, those kinds of things. So it's really, really cool. It's also a good tool for students to use to create graphics for a presentation. So to create a storyboard, you click on Create a Storyboard. Start a new board. Okay, so I would recommend logging in with like your Gmail or something, that way it saves. But the cool thing about Storyboard is that it's got hundreds of pre-made images. So you can kind of decide what your story's about. One of the stories that I've used this for before is Cask of Amontillado. So if I look at historical settings, so something like this would be great for Cask of Amontillado because it's set in a wine cellar. So we're going to drag and drop that there. We'll drag and drop this guy. Drag and drop that guy. Okay, so that fits the setting. So basically, students have all of these options for the type of story that they're working with, and they can create the setting. They can change the stuff in the setting. So like in this image, if I edited the scene, I could change it to be nighttime. Okay, and then everything would be dark. I could change the flame to be off. It would be off. On would be on. No sky. So there's no sky. Sky. Okay, updating scene. It's dark. Click on this one. I could edit this scene. We've got a nighttime scene. We've got a daytime scene. We've got the flame off. We've got the flame off. So it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. You can customize it however you need. These are all different kinds of settings. You can set it at schools. Like you could even use this for like a classroom tutorial of like how to use lab space or how to behave on a school bus. Like this could be super versatile tool. I mostly use it for students to create storylines or interpret things that they read in a story visually. So then you move on to characters, and again you've got all sorts of options here. 1600s to 1800s is probably where this realm is gonna live. So we're gonna choose us a couple of main characters. They will probably be, I'm gonna do like this guy. I like this guy. This guy's cool. So then I can change his hair. He's got red hair. He's a white dude with red hair. Yeah, and then I can change basically I can edit his pose. So this is really cool. He can be crying. He's got an arm out. He has to go to the bathroom. Okay. And I can turn him around if I want to. I'm just going to leave him like that for now. Okay, so yeah, this tool is really, really cool. And then you can add text to the tool. So like say the guy's talking. And then you can add, I don't know what he's saying. Maybe he hurts. So we gotta say ouch. You can add other shapes in places. You can add infographics to help demonstrate something if you need to. So there's lots of cool things, and if you wanted to search animals, you could, and it would take you to animals. Okay, I don't want to upgrade. but like this isn't all the animals that they have. Pretty sure animals are in characters. If you go to the end, you've got animals. See? Ta-da. So this is just a really, really cool tool. I think especially for ELA specific content. Could also be a really cool tool for a physical therapy kind of class. They could show the process of like giving CPR. They could show the process of building a bike. They could show the process of literally anything using this tool. So it's really, really cool. And they can customize everything. A lot of students have a lot of fun with that. Gives them a chance to get creative, play with technology, become more affluent in that area. So yeah, I really highly recommend this tool. If you guys have any questions about how I use Storyboard that, please let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer any questions you have. Thanks.